Hello, this is Scott from Walking My Path. Welcome to Flint Pond in Lincoln, Massachusetts, a place where history, nature, art, and community all intertwine. The first Transcendentalist cabin was here, and more. Near the pond stands a solitary chimney, the remnant of a cabin built around 1930 by Dr. Macomber, a Boston physician, according to Summer Smith, a local resident interviewed in 1981. The cabin was prefabricated and assembled on site. Unfortunately, it suffered vandalism and was eventually destroyed, leaving only the chimney as a silent witness to its past. The bricks used in Dr. Macomber's cabin bear the WSG imprint, indicating they were manufactured by W.S. Goodrich Brickyard in Epping, New Hampshire, which operated from 1905 to 1976. In the summer of 1836, Charles Starnes Wheeler, a Harvard scholar and transcendentalist who also studied with Emerson, built a modest shanty near these shores. His friend and classmate, Henry David Thoreau, spent 6 weeks there the following summer. This experience is believed to inspire Thoreau's later retreat to Walden Pond, where he penned his reflections on simple living and nature. Interestingly, though, initially Thoreau sought to build here, but the Flint family denied his request, possibly due to an earlier incident in 1844 when Thoreau accidentally started a fire near Fairhaven Bay, burning approximately 300 acres of forest and being known as the forest burner for some time. By 1874, Flint's Pond had become a crucial public water supply for the towns of Concord and Lincoln, a role it continues to serve today. In 1950, the developers eyed this picturesque area for new construction projects. Concerned residents rallied to protect the pond's natural beauty, leading to the formation of the Lincoln Land Conservation Trust in 1958. Their persistent efforts culminated in 2014, ensuring the preservation of all land surrounding the pond. And in the 1890s, the Lincoln Boat Club had a dance hall on the pond, adorned with Japanese lanterns and a piano, served as a lively social hub for the community. We're walking in the land that's near there, and I did come across these stone fence on bedrock. We can assume that somebody's marking their property. It is interesting that it's on the bedrock. I did get a little lost walking around in these woods. And it's really beautiful back here. You can really see where this was kind of a garden spot at one point in time. Like I said, I did get a little lost. I ended up walking along Bedford Road to get back, and then I wanted to visit this part of the trail as well. There are some old structures here. I'm not sure if there was an old pound or the foundation for a house. So we are walking up to the De Corvida estate. Julian and Elizabeth De Corvida. Julian was a successful tea broker and president of the Union Glass Company and was passionate about art and travel. He donated his estate to the town of Lincoln in 1930, and by 1950 it had transformed into the De Corvida Sculpture Park and Museum that stands there today. It stands as one of the few parks of its kind that has this has sculpture. It's mainly a sculpture park. You can walk around and take a look at various sculptures. We may do another video in the near future just of the sculptures. We will in the video up here. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe. But these are Jim Dine's two big black hearts. He did in 1985. They're made of bronze. They're 12 feet high, and they're really beautiful. Jim Dine was known for taking a simple motif like a heart or a robe or a tie and making sculptures and etchings and paintings all out of them. And so it's really, really iconic work.